Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. This is Asnan from Logic. In this video, I don't want to show you any buttons or settings. I want to explain why pipelines exist and what problems they are actually meant to solve. Most people use pipelines as a board. Professionals use pipelines as a decision-making tool. The first and most important purpose of pipelines is to design the flow of your business. A pipeline shows how a lead enters your system, what steps that lead goes through, and where that lead is getting stuck or lost. When your pipeline is clear, you can identify weak stages, see where leads drop off, improve your sales or onboarding process. Without a pipeline, you are just guessing. The second purpose is clarity. A pipeline gives you a live dashboard where you can instantly see how many leads you have, which stage they are in, and where you currently stand as a business. Instead of checking multiple reports, one pipeline view tells you the full story. Pipeline allow you to see real numbers, not assumptions. See how many leads are new, how many leads are contacted, how many booked appointments, how many converted. One of the most powerful uses of pipelines is automation control. By simply dragging a lead from one stage to another, you can trigger workflows, send follow-ups, notify your team, change lead status. This removes manual work and human error. So pipelines are not just for tracking. They are for designing processes, finding leaks, getting clarity, and automating actions. Once you understand the mindset, pipelines become one of the most powerful tools in GoHighLevel. In the next video, we will build pipelines right away.